Full disclosure, this light was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Oh yeah, we got the BoostArea lamp right here. This lamp comes with a 9-watt LED bulb, 50,000 hour life. It's a 9-watt LED bulb that saves power, looks good. BoostArea light, boom! Boost boxing, unbox, boom! Activate your VIP customer service right there. Area lamp, BoostArea lamp. Ooh, look at this. Here's the instruction manual. This thing comes almost installed. The lampshade is plastic. This nice plastic lampshade so it doesn't shatter, doesn't break. Here's the lampshade right here. Plastic lampshade that looks very good. The base, boom, boom. The bulb is already pre-installed. Very simple to install. We got the base right here. These are all the pieces. Start at the base, twist the pieces in, twist in. If it doesn't thread in easily, adjust it so it does. First piece, install. Second piece lines up to the first piece and just thread it in. Make sure you align the threads carefully. There's the third piece. Install. Super easy. And this base is solid. The fourth piece. Super easy. Install this piece. There we go. This piece right now on top, installing this. Pulling the cord at the base. So to tighten the cord is tightened up. This top piece right here, twist this lamp on the top here, and that is essentially installed. Super easy to install. Less than 5 minutes. A nice on and off switch right here. Wow, this lamp is so tall. This is the entire lamp. Just twist off the ring. LED bulb already installed. 9-watt LED bulb right here. 3000 Kelvin room temperature. Beautiful warm glow. This bulb will save energy and last 50,000 hours. Put the lampshade on plastic ring on top. The lamp is now installed. It's a 2-prong power cord. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, very simple. Nice bright lights. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it off. On. Off. There's your light. BoostArea lights. Very simple to install. Looks good. Elegant. 9-watt bulb. Nice warm white. 3000 Kelvin. 50,000 hour life on this bulb. This is the BoostArea LED light with a simple switch off. Simple switch on. Very nice light. Dun, dun, dun. There you have it. BoostArea light with a 9-watt bulb right here. 50,000 hour life. BoostArea lamp. Simple, easy, elegant. BoostArea lamp. Boom. There you have it. Oh yeah. Look at the beautiful light. Look at the glow. BoostArea 9-watt lamp right here.